I have a project share and I want to share with you guys what I have made. This is a beautiful desk journal with a storage for your journals here. So stick around and I'll show you more information. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Lois with Lois Keepsakes and Creation. I'm here today to give you guys a little project share that I learned from another YouTuber that I'm currently subscribed to. She shows you step by step how to make this, and this is Polka Art Studios. She's on YouTube if you want to go over there and see how she did this. She actually gives you a free PDF for you to download so you can make your own. How exciting! I know, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Look at these papers. Yes, I know, they're so yummy. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? That is just so pretty. I love it. And yes, you guys can see that I have laminated, and I've laminated a lot of things with this, and I had a lot of fun. I'll give you guys Amazon list of everything that I used for this, and I want to talk to you about the paper that I used. Now, the paper that I used is from Katie over at her Ko-fi shop, and if you want to go over there, it is Ko-fi with K-O/F-I Paperomia. Now, I know cursive, I know you guys are like, you probably can't understand cursive, but that's P-A-P-E-R-O-M-I-A. So if you want to go over there, go take a look at a lot of her beautiful journals. She has absolutely stunning digitals. They're just, to me, they just kind of pop out of the page, and her digitals are just absolutely gorgeous. Now, on some of them that I'm using, you'll find in her Ko-fi shop, it's Ivory Rainbow. So those are some of the things that I've put into this, along with other collections that I have bought from her that also are going to be inside this little desk journal. Aren't these papers just gorgeous? I think I've talked about this in other previous journals, but just absolutely beautiful work. Just beautiful. I love all their digitals. So hop over there to Ko-fi and go give her a little shout. Say hello. You know, become a membership. You know, you get a lot of free digitals. I mean, massive amounts. So I have her digitals downloaded to my computer, and they are in a file that is actually downloaded to an external drive. So I have so much of her digitals that I have to put it on an external drive so it doesn't bog down my computer. But enough of that. Let's talk about what I did. So, like what I said, go over to Polka Art Studio YouTube and go see her video on how to do this. So, I did a little bit changing up because I wanted to incorporate a lot of sewing. So that's what I did, and I will show you some of the albums that I made. Isn't this little darling? This is what I did. I just added some lace up here at the top. I binded my little journal with cloth And this is some velvet seam binding. And in the back too. Isn't it just darling? So, and then that's the top. And here's your side. And here's the bottom. So, we'll open this up. And we'll take a look at what the yumminess is inside. Oh, wow. Look at this. I love this little set. You guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. It took me some time to put it all together, you know, to get the cuts down right, you know, so that way I could maximize more of my paper that I'm using. And it turned out wonderful. I mean, like, look at this. This is Boo Boo's from my little cinch machine. But you know what? I don't care. This is just all yumminess. And I think that my husband and I, we added it up, and with each page from here all the way over, if you were to journal one day, each day, you will fill up this journal set in 1 year. I thought that was just awesome. I mean, especially for people that love to write journals daily. I mean, this is just awesome. I mean, you don't even have to journal with these things. You can just decorate up your pages. You can, you know, do a lot of doodling. If you're a doodle person, you know, these papers, I just love them. I'm a tea-dye fanatic person. And yes, I do tea-dye my own paper. And I get a lot of joy out of it when it comes out of the oven. Isn't it pretty? I just love it. I use these little ledger composition books, and I just tore it apart, and I just tea-dyed and baked each one of them. So I've got like a whole stash of those. I do plan on going in here and doing more decorations, things of that sort, because I have a lot of paper still. So, but yeah, so each one is the same. Only difference is this one has a pink ribbon, and that's because I ran out of this blue ribbon, so I had to compromise and I had to pick out a pink. But all of them are all the same. They've got the same amount of paper. They have, you know, practically the same paper in each one of them. So, and each one comes with 3 signatures, like I said. You know, so there's 1. And then this one's 2, and then this one's 3. So, yeah, so those are exactly the same. Isn't this ribbon beautiful? I love how, you know what I did? I took my scissors and I pulled it so I could get this little curly thing on the end of my ribbons. Isn't that darling? I love it. So, but yeah, so see there? They just kind of curl up. But yeah, so each one of them is all the same. Just different variations of how I might have done the cover or the backside cover. I mean, mostly all of them are different. So, but yeah, so I'm super excited. So, I think I might make this like a playlist, so you guys can watch me decorate up these pages. So I do want to get this finished. This is on a, you know, I got to get done, but I'm not in a hurry. So, but these turned out so beautiful. So Polka Art Studio, thank you for the download. I really do appreciate it. So, and also to Katie and her sister for these beautiful digitals. So if you want to see more of her digitals, get over there and go see her over at Ko-fi. So, and I'll leave a link down below in my description box too. So that way you can just go on over there. But tell me what you think. What are your thoughts about this? Like I said, I want to add more sewing to this. And I just think this is just going to be a beautiful project. You know, so I could see like some roses or bows tied there. I do want to put some charms on this little books and decorate up the pages and everything else like that. So, but yeah, so tell me what your thoughts are. Do you like this? Did this not turn out beautiful? So, but if you want to stick around, and maybe I'll do a playlist for this. If you guys want me to do that, I could do that. So we'll play around with some pages and see what we can come up with. But yeah, so I'll probably make the playlist Timeless Tales. So that way you guys can have a playlist to follow me along with sewing and gluing and cut aparts and ephemera and things like that that we're going to do inside this. So with that being said, I'm going to go, you guys. I know this was a short video, but the grandbaby's asleep. Thank goodness. He's getting so big, y'all. He is 8 months and he's 30 pounds. And he is very tall for his age. But anyway, but okay, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and go for now. But I do want to remind you guys to go to, in my playlist, I have a composition book that I'm trying to give away for my 1,000 subscriber. So if you are not a subscriber and you've come across this video, go to my one video that I give for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. You have to comment in the bottom, and you also have to like the video and as well be a subscriber. So as soon as that thing hits 1,000, I'm gonna, you know, put it on YouTube and we're gonna give it away. So, but with that being said, you guys, let me know what you think. Is this something that you would like to do? And then maybe catch up with me and we can work it together. I don't know. So let me know what you know. Let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, I'll comment with you and we'll see what we can do. But anyways, I hope you guys stay safe and have a happy crafting. Bye-bye.